Diabetic and kidney-friendly salad dressings. Salads can be a great way to get your daily intake of vitamins and minerals, but what if you could make them even healthier? With kidney-friendly salad dressings, you can. These recipes are specifically designed with renal patients in mind, making it easy to enjoy salads without worrying about overtaxing our kidneys. Having kidney-friendly dressing options at home is essential for anyone looking to lead a healthier lifestyle, even on a kidney-friendly diet. The good news is there are plenty of delicious and nutritious recipes available online that have been created with the kidney patient in mind. And in the description below, you will find a link to the blog post where there's abundance of recipes that you can try for kidney-friendly diets. From vegan varieties using avocado oil to simple homemade concoctions made with olive oil and herbs, these tasty creations will give any salad an extra boost of flavor while keeping your health in check. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease. I'm the owner of renaldiethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renaldiethq.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for great new updates all the time. Talk about some types of salad dressings suitable for diabetics. Thankfully, there's a number of delicious diabetic-friendly options, which are also great ways to enjoy healthier salads. Whether it's something store-bought or homemade, here's some ideas for the perfect low potassium and diabetic-friendly salad dressings. For starters, many store-bought dressings offer suitable alternatives that don't sacrifice taste. For instance, olive oil-based vinaigrettes tend to have lower levels of sodium than other dressings and may even contain healthy fats from monounsaturated sources like avocado or flaxseed oil. Balsamic vinegar is a great choice as its tart flavor adds punch without too much salt or sugar. Homemade diabetic salad dressing recipes can also provide an easy alternative with plenty of flavorful ingredients. No matter what you go for, finding the ideal balance between tartness and nutrition doesn't have to be difficult when making your healthy choices. Now, let's talk about some homemade recipes for diabetics. Making a diabetic friendly salad dressing at home is easy and delicious. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up a nutritious dressing that fits into any diabetic diet. Step 1, get started. Choose an oil as your base for your dressing. Opt for a healthy oil like avocado or olive oil, both of which are great sources of monounsaturated fats that help regulate blood sugar levels. Step 2, added flavor. For added flavor and nutrients, try adding herbs like basil or oregano to your mix. If you're looking for something sweeter, add in some honey or maple syrup. Be sure to taste test your mixture before using it on your salad so you know if it needs more seasoning or sweetness. When selecting other ingredients to include in your dressing, look for low-calorie options with plenty of health benefits. You could consider adding vinegar, lemon juice, a little bit of yogurt to give it some tanginess and creaminess without too many extra calories. And don't forget about spices. Adding garlic powder or onion powder will boost the flavor while providing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support overall wellness. Finally, make sure all your ingredient choices are kidney friendly since they're necessary to maintain good kidney function in those with diabetes. By carefully choosing each component of your homemade diabetic friendly recipe, you'll be able to create a tasty addition to anyone's meal plan. Making a homemade salad dressing can be both economical and healthy. For those with diabetes, kidney issues, or other concerns, having the right ingredients on hand to make your own is essential. So let's talk about that. Now, creating your own dressings allows you to control what goes into them and avoid any artificial sweeteners or flavor enhancers that may not be suitable for diabetics or those with chronic kidney disease. Here's some of the best homemade salad dressings for diabetics. Olive oil-based vinaigrette. This simple dressing combines olive oil, vinegar, garlic, and herbs and spices for a light yet flavorful option. It's low in carbohydrates and calories, which makes it ideal for people managing their blood sugar levels. Avocado lime dressing, creamy avocado blended with lime juice, cilantro, and seasonings creates an indulgent but still light dressing perfect for salads or dipping vegetables. The natural fats found in avocados help keep blood sugar levels stable while providing a nutrient boost of potassium and fiber. This one has a great creamy texture. Yogurt herb dressing. Greek yogurt mixed with fresh herbs like parsley, basil, and chives creates a tangy yet refreshing dressing, great on just about anything. Its probiotic benefits also aid digestion, which helps manage diabetic symptoms like gas or bloating. Mustard Dijon vinaigrette, a combination of Dijon mustard, balsamic vinegar, honey, or agave nectar, plus a little onion powder, packs a punch of flavor without adding excessive sodium or fat, making it a great choice for those with kidney disease who need to limit their intake of these ingredients. Tahini lemon sauce. Nutty tahini combined with lemon juice works well as either a marinade or topping on roasted vegetables like cauliflower or eggplant. Rich in vitamins B6 and E, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. This versatile sauce adds delicious complexity without sending blood sugar sky high. Tahini is a paste made from ground sesame seeds. It's a popular ingredient in Middle Eastern and North African cuisine, used in everything from hummus to halva. It has a nutty, buttery flavor and is a great source of plant-based protein. No matter what type of lifestyle you have, there are plenty of options when it comes to creating tasty yet healthy homemade salad dressings that won't raise your risk factors with diabetes or kidney disease. With a little creativity, you'll find yourself whipping up all sorts of creations that will tantalize your taste buds while keeping your health goals in check. Now let's talk about store-bought dressings. It's important to stay mindful of what we eat, especially when it comes to those with kidney disease. Salad dressings can be a great way to add flavor and texture to our salads without adding unnecessary sodium or sugar that could aggravate health concerns. Fortunately, there are several store-bought salad dressings or ingredients available for people who have kidney disease. Is balsamic vinegar good for kidneys? Yes, balsamic vinegar is a wonderful option as it contains healthy fats from olive oil and antioxidants from the balsamic vinegar. Plus, it has a very low sodium content, so you don't need to worry about exceeding daily recommended limits. Another great choice is lemon juice with extra virgin olive oil. It's light yet flavorful and also easy on your kidneys. I personally love Brianna's French vinaigrette dressing for all kinds of foods, including salads, but also vegetables and marinades. You can find it in your local grocery store. I'll put a link to the Brianna's in the description below. For those who prefer creamy dressings, there are some options too. Kidney-friendly creamy salad dressing usually includes ingredients such as Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, avocado, tahini, and herbs like basil or oregano. These ingredients provide added creaminess while still being gentle on the kidneys due to their low potassium content. So no matter what type of dressing you choose, make sure it meets your dietary need and preferences. After all, having food that tastes delicious but doesn't hurt your body should always come first. Now let's talk about some options for mayonnaise. For those with a kidney condition, the classic creamy mayonnaise is often off limits, but it doesn't mean you can't enjoy flavorful salad dressings. There's plenty of delicious options available that are suitable for diabetics or those on a renal diet. One great option is to use balsamic vinegar as your base. Balsamic vinegar has many health benefits and is generally considered safe for those with kidney disease. It adds a lovely tartness and depth of flavor to any salad dressing. You can pair it with olive oil, herbs, spices, garlic, mustard, and even citrus juices to create something truly special. Another alternative is tahini-based dressings. Tahini paste is made from ground sesame seeds and provides an excellent source of healthy fats and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Blending tahini together with lemon juice and other seasonings makes for a rich yet light dressing that's perfect for topping off salads. Whatever route you take when creating your own unique salad dressing recipe, just make sure you keep it low in sodium. That way you can rest assured knowing that your dressing won't negatively affect your kidneys or your overall health. Okay, so let's talk about some ideas for kidney-friendly creamy salad dressings. Let's start off by talking about one of our favorite concoctions, avocado oil mayonnaise, mixed with freshly squeezed lemon juice and diced onions. This is a great option if you're looking for something creamy yet light enough to not weigh down your greens. Next up is a flavorful blend of plain Greek yogurt blended with garlic powder, Dijon mustard, pepper, olive oil, and vinegar. The combination of tangy yogurt paired with savory spices makes this dressing impossible to resist. Plus, it adds protein to your meal. from the Greek yogurt. It also contains probiotics, which can help promote healthy digestion while being gentle on your kidneys. For those seeking more adventurous flavors, why not try sauteing shallots in sesame oil, then blending them together with tahini paste and seasoned rice wine vinegar. Not only does this dressing taste amazing, but its antioxidant content helps protect against oxidative damage due to free radicals, making it extra beneficial for those dealing with chronic illness like kidney disease. Whatever dressing you opt for, remember that moderation is key. Enjoy these creative concoctions in small servings as part of a balanced diet. All right, let's talk about some salad recommendations for renal dieters. Just like a painter with an artist's palette, those on a restricted kidney-friendly diet can mix and match ingredients for delicious salads that are both healthy and satisfying. Start off with some leafy salad greens as your canvas. These provide essential vitamins and minerals, plus dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Add in a colorful vegetables such as tomatoes, carrots, peppers, onions, or cucumbers for antioxidants and flavor, depending on your restrictions. To top it off with some meat like grilled chicken breast or canned tuna without added salt. Sprinkle over nuts or seeds for crunchiness, along with fresh herbs for zest. Finish off with heart-healthy dressings made from olive oil, vinegar, and spices to keep sodium intake low, using some of the recipes I've talked about before. These nourishing salad greens may not be flashy, but they will fill you up while providing vital nutrition designed specifically to meet the needs of renal dieters. Now let's come back and talk about balsamic vinegar a little more. Balsamic vinegar is a great way to add flavor to your kidney-friendly salads. It's a natural low-sodium condiment that offers numerous health benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that balsamic vinegar can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer linked to high consumption of salt and other processed foods. It makes a great addition plain, or you could cook it in a pan for a few minutes to concentrate it a little, and then use it as a glaze on meats or salads. When it comes to those with chronic kidney disease, balsamic vinegar can be beneficial as well. A study conducted at The Ohio State University showed that consuming 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar daily reduced total body water retention by up to 15%. This means less stress on the kidneys since they don't have to work overtime trying to filter excess fluids from the bloodstream. Balsamic offers anti-inflammatory properties which may benefit those with chronic inflammation due to CKD or other conditions. Incorporating this tasty ingredient into your diet doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. Try using it as a marinade for grilled vegetables or adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice for extra zing when making salad dressings. Not only will you get one step closer to managing your symptoms more effectively, but you'll enjoy a delicious meal as well. Not everyone can enjoy store-bought dressings that are high in sodium. Fortunately, there's an easier and healthier way to make salad dressings right at home. Simple and quick homemade low-sodium salad dressings are the perfect solution for those looking to improve their kidney health without sacrificing flavor. Making homemade dressings is easy. All you need is a few ingredients from your kitchen pantry, basics like oil, vinegar, herbs, spices, and citrus juice. It's a little creativity, which I'm going to help you with. Start by combining 1 part acid, like white wine or cider vinegar, with 3 parts oil, such as olive or sunflower. Then season it up with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, freshly chopped herbs, chives, or parsley work great, and any other condiments you'd like, such as Dijon mustard. From here on, the possibilities are endless. Experiment until you find the combination that sounds just right to you and tastes delicious. For even more variety, try adding some sweetness to your dressing with honey. Add brightness with fresh lemon juice. Bring depth with balsamic vinegar. Give texture with creamy avocado. Add heat with some red chili pepper flakes. The combinations are infinite, and no matter what your taste preferences may be, making simple homemade low-sodium salads will always provide better nutritional value than anything bought off the shelf. So go ahead and get creative. It's time to whip up something delicious and good for your kidneys too. And I will link to the blog post where we have over 20 different ideas of ways to combine yummy ingredients that are kidney friendly to make salad dressings at home. Use healthy salad dressings made from scratch is the moral of this story. It's true that people with kidney disease need to be careful about what they eat, and salad dressings are no exception. With a few precautions, it's possible for them to enjoy dressing their salads in a way that won't harm their kidneys. Store-bought dressings can contain high levels of sodium, so the safest option may be to make your own at home using healthy ingredients like vinegar and olive oil. We also suggest avoiding any products that contain added sugar if you have diabetes as well as kidney disease. When making your own dressing at home, you should pay attention to the amount of salt used, since too much could further aggravate existing health conditions associated with kidney disease. Finally, don't forget to read labels carefully as a kidney patient when purchasing ready made salad dressings. This will help ensure you avoid those with unhealthy additives and other unsuitable ingredients. Overall, providing you take the necessary precautions when choosing and preparing your salad dressings, it is safe for people with kidney disease to enjoy them without fear of damaging their kidneys further. So go ahead and get creative in the kitchen, and just remember not to overdo it on the salt.